Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Office Shapes to create art. In today's video, I'm going to make a background, a desert background. This is going to be the first in a series. They're very easy to make, so let's begin. We'll insert, shapes, and we're just going to select a rectangle. I'm going to say fixed position just to make it easier to move. I'm going to go into shape format and I'm going to access the gradient from here. Reason being, you have 3 or more color stops, which is what we want. So for the first one, I'm going to want like a very light, maybe that's even too dark, something like that. I'm going to move that over. I want it at the top. Then it's going to be a very light, oops, sorry about that. Let me undo that. I'm going to select the second color gradient here. It's going to be a very light orange. And then for the third one here, it's going to be a little bit more darker. Let's see, like that. That's not quite the color I'm after. I'm just going to go into the darker colors here. See how that looks like. I think I'm going to add a second one here. And I'm going to make this one lighter. Like that. And then I think there's an outline on here, so I'm going to take out the outline. Okay. Now for the bottom part here, I am going to, I might as well copy this. Copy, paste. Okay, and then I go into the gradient. I don't need so many. I need 2 gradients, that's it. And I'm going to choose a brown. I think the brown is going to be here. And the brown is not exactly the one I want, so I'm going to go here, take a look. Yeah, I think let me just see here. This will be here. More colors. Take this brown. So now you have the desert scene. Right click, edit points. I'm going to add a point here. Just going to tilt this. Put this one up, bring this one down, just to give it some contour. I'm going to add a moon. Tilt it, make it smaller, thinner, like so. Fixed position, shape outline, no outline, shape fill. I'm going to make it like a gray. Let's see how that looks. Okay, maybe we'll give it a little bit of an outline. Tiny bit. Shape fill, shape outline. Like that. I'm going to make this one a tiny bit darker. Like so. Shape. I'm just going to take this shape, give it a gray, shape outline. Fixed position. Edit points. Add point. Add point. Like that. Add point. Okay. Bring this in. Now we're going to go into the format shape, 3D. I'm going to just choose this one here. Then I'm going to go into the depth. And actually 3D rotation as well. Okay. I think the shape outline, no outline, we'll take that out. And then the depth, we'll have to make it the same color. I think the angle too has to be changed. Bring that in a little bit more. Go material, a little bit more subdued, like so. Add some shadow. That's a rock. This corner here, and then we can go copy, paste. Change it. Zero depth. Mirror it. Like so. This one. Let's bring this down a little bit more. This one will bring up a little bit more. And then edit points, delete point, delete point. We got another shape. Make it green, shape fill green. And then copy it. Shape outline. Like so. Insert shape. Shape fill. Shape outline. And actually with this one, shape outline, let's make no outline. Actually, all of them don't need an outline. And then not this one. And then shape group. So we're missing that one little part here down here. Group it again. Fix position. And that's it. Thanks for watching.